Helo, neu fel rydyn ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, Adam, is it okay to follow an old lady? Mae'r iaith ydych chi'n defnyddio yn gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr i'r ffordd ydych chi'n gweld y byd. The language you use makes a huge difference to the way you see the world. Now in English, you earn money. You work hard, day in, day out, slogging away to earn that hard-earned money. And at the end of the month, you point to your wage docket and you say, I earned this money. Ond yn Gymraeg, dych chi'n ennill arian. You win money. So, dych chi'n gweithio'n galed pob dydd yn slafio dros eich gwaith i ennill yr hard-won money. A ar diwedd y mis, dych chi'n pwyntio at y docket a chi'n dweud, nes I ennill yr arian yma. I won this money. Sut nes ti ennill yr arian? Oh, well, I got a job and I worked hard every day and winner. Earn o ennill. Pa un yw'r agwedd fwyaf iachus I gael? Which one is the healthier attitude? For a good work ethic, earn. Ond am bywyd llawn surprises, ennill. Hefyd yn Gymraeg, ydych chi'n gallu ennill clod. You can win praise. Ond mae bach o sens I gael fan hyn, herwydd hefyd, ydych chi'n gallu heiddi clod, which is deserve or earn praise. So, efallai dylsyn ni defnyddio heiddi ar gyfer arian. Dych chi'n gweithio'n galed pob dydd yn slafio dros eich waith I heiddi'r hard-earned money. Ar diwedd y mis, dych chi'n cymryd y docyd a chi'n dweud, nes I heiddi'r arian ma, which would mean, I deserve this money. It's not good either, is it?
We're shocked!